Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we'll select one hard problem from Leetcode and let's solve. Okay. So before that, I need to select database. Okay. So from this list, guys, okay, we'll select one hard question. Okay, which is accepted, like which has less acceptance percent. Okay. So from here we have this trip signed users which has 36.4% of acceptance. Let's go to this problem and start solving. Okay. Okay. So here let's understand the problem. So we have this trips table with these many columns. Okay. So ID is the primary key for this table. The table holds all taxi trips. Each trip has a unique ID. Okay, while client ID and driver ID are foreign keys to the user's ID at the users table. Okay, we have this users table with user's ID, Dan, and role. Okay, okay. From this first table, so this is unique. This ID is a trips ID. Okay, and this client ID and driver ID are foreign keys referencing this primary key. Okay, users ID from users table. Okay, so again we have status in enum category, type of completed, cancelled by driver, cancelled by client. Okay, we have this status. Okay, which like enum in the sense it will have a set of like set of values. Okay, we have this the three values for status. Okay, and we have this users table where users ID is the primary key for this table. Okay, and the type holds all users. Sorry, the table holds all the users. Each user has a unique user ID and role is an enum type of client, driver, and partner. Okay, band is an enum, like it has less yes or no. Okay, so this will have yes or no. Okay, like this band. Band will have yes or no, and this role will have client, driver, or the partner. Okay. And let's read the note. The cancellation rate is computed by dividing the number of cancelled requests with unbanned users by the total number of requests with unbanned users on that day. Okay, okay. So that means to say the total number of cancelled requests upon divided by the total number of requests. Okay. So the problem here is write a solution to find the cancellation rate of requests with unbanned users. Okay, we should select users which are not banned. Okay, both even from like cancelled, like with respect to cancelled or with respect to total users. Okay, both client and driver must not be banned. Okay, each day between 1st of October to 3rd of October. Okay, round this cancellation rate to 2 decimal points. Okay, return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. Okay, they have given this input table. Okay, which has ID, client ID, driver ID, city. Okay, status and request at. Okay, and this users table with users ID band. Okay, band in the sense no RS. Okay, role, client or driver. Okay, so they are expecting output something like this. Each day, what is the cancellation rate? Okay, okay. We can read the explanation like what they did or like they have explained this output table. Okay, let's upon like based on this input data and this node, let's start writing the query. Okay. Okay, so what I'll do, let me like yeah, okay, this trips table and this users table. Okay, so hope you understood the input tables. Okay, both the input tables. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll join these two tables on this user side. Okay, user side from this table on the client ID from this table. Okay, that would give me the banned users, like unbanned users. Okay, where banned is no, that will give me unbanned users. Okay, that is what I want. Okay, okay, let's select select from trips. Okay, what I'll do inner join with users table. Okay, users table on. So let me give me an alias for this use for users. Okay, p dot client ID equal to u dot user ID, right? Okay, and what and on a condition where banned is no. Okay, that user should not be banned, right? From you, banned should be no. Okay, that will give me unbanned users. Okay, so this is my basic input data. Okay, so what I'll select ID from this table, ID comma client ID, which is client ID, driver ID. If driver ID, yeah, it is needed. And what I do not want city, I want status to filter out it is completed or cancelled, and I mainly need the requested. Okay, from this table, and the other table I do not need anything since I have already joined based on its user ID. Okay, so this input I'll keep it in a CT1. Okay, in a CTE. Okay, from this input, what I'll do, I'll create another CTE like CTE2 as I need to give a comma here when we are creating multiple CTEs. CTE as what I'll select request head actually. Request head. Okay. Okay. Before going to going forward, let me run and show you what input I am getting from this CTE1. Okay. You have an error in your SQL. Check the manual that corresponds to a MySQL version of the right syntax to use near close at the line number 11. Did I select anything close? Okay, maybe yeah, it has selected complete. Yeah, let me finish this up and then run. Okay, so in CT2, what I'll select requested, and what I need to count the like records like trips which are cancelled. Correct, which are cancelled. Let me go to input and show it, or input table and show. Okay, I need to select these cancelled trips. Correct. Okay, so what I do for here, see, I can directly count them where cancelled is like where status is cancelled by driver, but I also need to count the number of trips also, right, with respect to each day. Correct. So accommodate both the logics. What I'll do, I'll use sum for this cancelled trips. Okay, how I'll do, I'll use a case statement. Case when status is okay, status is completed. Okay, I'll assign then 0. Yes, when this is completed, I'll assign 0. Else, I'll assign 1. Okay, I'll end this case statement. So this would be my cancel trip. So this will give me total number of cancelled trips. Correct. I also need to count the total number of trips. Okay. So this with respect to each day, let's select. Let's say, for example, October 1st. I'm summing up this 0 or 1, right? 1 for cancelled, correct? So it will be 2. So here I cannot use the sum. I need to use the count because what I need is the total number of trips, right? So I'm counting them on the ID. So this will be my total trips. Total instead of trips, we can use total requests, correct? So this will be from city. Okay, this will be from my first city. Do I need to order them anyway? Nothing. Okay. So okay, I need to group them. group by this request ID, right? Requested, correct? So I'll use group by 1. Okay. So this will be my CTU2. Okay. At the end, in this select query, what I want? I want requested, comma. I need to calculate this cancellation rate. Where is the cancellation rate? Okay, cancellation rate. What is the definition for cancellation rate? One is like what they have given is cancellation rate is total cancels. For total cancels, I have cancelled trips divided by total requests. Correct? This I need to round them up to 2 decimal places. Correct? I need to round them up to 2 decimal places, like that value to 2 decimal places, right? Okay. Yeah. Request and round up to this from. This will be from my CTE2. Correct? So order the table in any order, right? So I'll just order it by request 1. Okay. Requested. Correct? Okay. So before, even they also want the column names as day and cancellation rate. See, we can directly say for requested as day. Okay. But this column has a space in it, right? If there is a space, we need to use double quotes. Okay. Otherwise, it will not take. Okay. Okay, cancellation rate because it has a space. Let me submit and see for if it goes well, that's fine. Otherwise, we can fix this. Yeah. So unknown column name, client ID in field list. Okay, I've written wrong. Client ID name. There is this, right? Yeah, this is the correct. Yeah, client. Let me run and see. Okay, fine. Yeah. So this is accepted. Case 1, okay. So case 1 is satisfied. Yeah. Expected is this, okay, and we have this. Okay, let me go and submit this. Okay, so here what they are saying, while submitting, input is, let me expand this. Okay, input is this, users is 1 equal to band is no, output is only 1, expected is why they do not want any output for this, because there is one ID, one tray, okay, and it is cancelled by the client, okay, on this day. Okay, do they need, okay, each day between, write a SQL to find the cancellation rate of requests with unbanned users, okay, each day between, okay, so what other condition we also need to consider here is, I need to filter out days between these two, okay, first and third. Okay, let me put that filter from city to where. Okay, so should I filter from here? Yeah, we can filter from here also. Where requested between okay, between these two days, right? And okay, because they want only between these 2 days. Okay, let me go and run. Yeah, this is accepted again. This one is fine. Let me go and submit and see if it is passing the other test cases or not. Okay, it is accepted, guys. Okay, hopefully we somehow try to fix this, and yeah, it is accepted now. Okay, so there will not be any straightforward like query that you think of and start writing. Okay, while solving this, you need to cope up with the question again and cope up with the other test cases. Okay, and try to solve it according. Okay, it was a nice question, guys, but I don't think it is that hard. Okay, just the other logic that we used is some more these test cases. Okay, that's the only different thing that we used here. Okay, thank you, guys. And if you're liking this, like these kind of videos or the content, please like the videos and subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you, guys.